For this project, we'll be using 3 brushes, large, medium and small. We'll start with large brush and blue paint. We'll make couple vertical brush strokes all over our artwork. Next, we'll use light blue paint to cover the rest of the white spots. To start painting bicycle, we're gonna use any round object. It can be a palette or it can be a plate. We're gonna use medium-sized brush and black paint to create an outline. Next, we can fix the outline using just the medium-sized brush. For the next part, we're gonna use medium-sized brush and you can choose any color you like. I'm gonna use pink. I'll start by creating a small circle. Next, using same color, I'm gonna create a straight, slightly tilted line from that circle and covering that black part of the wheel. Don't worry about black paint mixing with this color, because we'll have a chance to add a second layer later. Next, we'll create 2 more lines. One will be straight, pointing towards the corner, and one will be slightly rounded. Now we can make each line a little bit thicker, and we can add second layer. After cleaning your brush, you can add small white line on top of the pink part and then add half of a circle. After wiping your brush, you can add small black line next to the white part. Now you can use either small brush or thin side of your medium-sized brush to connect pink circle to black part of the wheel. Next, we'll use dark brown color to paint a basket in front of the bicycle. After creating an outline, you can paint it in. If any part of your painting seems too transparent now, you can add second layer if it's dry. Now to add flowers to our basket, we're gonna start with red circles. To add petals, we're gonna use any lighter shade. I'm gonna use pink to create small arches on the edges and in the middle. To add even more dimension, we can add white brush strokes on top. Next, we'll use light brown to create horizontal and vertical lines on top of the basket. Now we can use white or lighter shade of brown to highlight some parts of the basket. I'm adding second layer of white because it seems too transparent. With a small brush and white paint, I'm gonna highlight some parts of the bicycle. Now, since the black paint is dry, I'm gonna add a pink outline to part of the wheel. And I'm gonna highlight that part as well, using white paint and small brush. I'll use dark green paint to add leaves to the basket next to our flowers. You can use any color you like to add more flowers. I'm gonna use purple and I'm gonna highlight it with white the same way I did with bigger flowers. Now I'm gonna mix some yellow and darker green to create light shade of green, so I can add more leaves in between flowers and around them. Next, I'm gonna paint a bee next to our flower basket. I'm gonna use smaller brush and yellow paint. First, I'll create an outline of a small oval and then I'll paint it in. Now with small brush and white paint, I'm gonna highlight each thin black line. You can also highlight black part of the wheel. Now if the yellow part of the bee is dry, we can add more details using small brush and black paint. We'll add black head and we'll add couple black lines. Now we're gonna use just the tip of the brush to create antennas and to make two small dots on top of them. After cleaning your brush, you can use white paint to create two white wings and paint an eye. Our final step will be to highlight the handle and to sign our painting.